Hi everyone, I am Nicole from Lucrative Property Group, and today we are at Duncan Court in Hatfield, Pretoria. So this is student apartments, or perfect for anyone who wants to be close to Pretoria CBD. The apartment that we are going to showcase today is for sale and is centrally located close to the N1 in full walking distance from University of Pretoria. If you look up, you'll see that this building looks like a hotel. I just love the view. So currently we are standing at the outside area. Here we have an astroturf with seating for when you need a breather. We all know fresh air is good for exam stress relief. Okay, let's go have a look at the rest. So here we are on the ground floor level. Behind me you will see the pedestrian entrances with security on the premises 24/7, which means that it is safe and that access to the building is controlled. As we enter the building, we have a reception area with some couches and a desk area. What I assume were meant to have chairs where you can sit and enjoy the view. So just come and have a look. We are walking in the building, which you can see is modern and well maintained. And behind me, we have a control room. So we have security keeping an eye on the common areas 24/7. Perfect for parents who are far away. Yeah, you know your children will be safe. So now we are in the apartment, and this is the living area. Behind me, we have a small dining room table, and you can comfortably fit a couch on this side and have a television on that side. Or on the other side, here below the shelving. We also have downlights to create some ambiance. And this apartment has a balcony. The balcony is private. Please come and have a look and enjoy this view. The balcony overlooks a part of Hatfield. Wow, how beautiful is the sunset. So to the right, you would be able to see the lights of LC de Villiers, the University Sports Grounds. Next, I want to show you the first bedroom. It is a large bedroom with lots of natural light and laminate flooring and built-in cupboards. I just want to show you how many cupboards this bedroom has. The cupboards really complement the laminate flooring. It really looks great. So next, we have an ensuite bathroom. Just excuse the fact that we don't have electricity. Currently the unit is vacant and therefore the utility account has been closed. This bathroom has a shower, toilet and a basin. You'll notice the color scheme, it's the same as the one used in the second bathroom. So up next we're heading to the kitchen. It offers space for your single fridge. And have a look at this light up here, which I can just imagine provides bright light when preparing food so that you can see exactly what you're doing. Here we have a full plate stove, an under counter oven, extractor fan, and beautiful cupboards. I love this glass. It's something different and great upmarket for student accommodation. So here you can fit an under-counter appliance, and whether it's your dishwasher or washing machine, you have a double basin here just below the shelves. I love the shelves. You can store your cups or your glasses, and I would definitely put a plant or two here. To be honest, I love greenery. So next, we're heading to the second bedroom. This bedroom is smaller, but it still has a lot of cupboard space and has a sliding door that opens as well. Such a nice view. So if you have a look on my left hand side, there's a small built-in shelf, and I just love this exposed concrete wall. It just gives this modern look and feel to the bedroom. Next, we have the second bathroom with a door here and a door entering from the kitchen. So this bathroom doubles up as your guest bathroom. It comes complete with a bathtub as well as the shower, single basin, and you'll see that they've used the same color scheme as in the first bathroom. Awesome. So Duncan Court also has other amenities. So far we've seen the outside seating area. There's also a laundry facility, so a laundromat, and this unit has a dedicated undercover parking area. What I didn't mention earlier is the linen cupboard behind me. Thank you so much for watching this tour of this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment with its own parking lot close to the University of Pretoria. Perfect for student accommodation or someone who wants to be close to the Pretoria CBD. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.